Running codes in Kali can be easy and complicated at the same time. So that is why today I'm going to be showing you how you can run C programs in Kali, and this is also applicable in Parrot security as well. So first thing you have to do is open up your terminal and you would have to install a compiler. Remember, you would have to use sudo apt install gcc password and yes. Depending on your network speed, this might take a while, so you just have to wait for a few minutes. Alright, so immediately after installing GCC, you would have to create a folder or a directory. So to create a folder, we're going to use the make directory command and just name it C program. And yeah, so we'd have to cd into C program. And once we are inside C program, we're going to nano into, let's call it programs.c. Right now I'm going to write a code in here, but I won't show you because it will be a surprise. So if you want to see the surprise, make sure to stay to the end of this video. Now when you're done with writing your code, this is how to run it. And before I continue, if you haven't subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can get more videos from me. So to run the C program, all you have to do is gcc followed by what you named the file when you were coding. As you can see, I named my own programs.c, so I'm going to write programs.c and then -o to put your C program file into a file that can be run in Kali Linux. So I'm going to name my own programs and enter. Alright, once that is done, if you want to run the code, all you have to type is /programs. Enter.